Good morning everyone. Let's have breakfast. And I have for breakfast the anchovies. Here we go. Crispy anchovies, the fry pan. And of course, it's going to dip with here vinegar and onion. And the other one is the tortang anchovies or tortang dilis. Here we go. It's also done. And I love to dip with tomato and onion. And of course, hindi tayo pwedeng mawalan ng veggies, eggplant, and the okra. Yay! And of course, it's breakfast. Always have coffee with me. Yes, and let's eat. Bon appetit! Morning! Start for today! Happy tummy na naman po tayo! Let's eat, guys! Thank you!